Mr. X is employed in central government, getting basic pay 11,000 per month. Dearness allowance 5,000 rupees per month. House rent allowance 4,000 rupees per month with effect from 1/7/2018. However, employee is residing in the house of his parents. Employer has paid cash allowances 300 rupees per month, medical allowances 250 rupees per month, and entertainment allowances 400 rupees per month. Employer has paid professional tax 75 rupees per month on behalf of the employee. Employee has saved 35 rupees per month out of entertainment allowances. Employee is a member of club and is paying a membership fees of 300 rupees per month. Compute employee's income under the head salary and tax liability for the assessment year 2019-20. To solve this, we need to make two columns. First is particulars and second is rupees. Particulars is the first column and second column is rupees. Okay, before solving this all, we need to solve certain working notes. Right? We need to calculate the taxable house rent allowances. Okay, so we will calculate first taxable house rent allowances. So the taxable house rent allowances is the first working note. We will write here working note number 1, calculation of taxable HRA. Calculation of taxable HRA. Okay, so what is the rule for this? Actual HRA received. How much is actual HRA received? Actual HRA received is how much? 11,000 per month. Okay, so 11,000 into how many months I should take? It is 12 months. It is 9 months. It is 9 months. Why? See, you can see the sentence with effect from 1/7. Yeah, you should count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So totally how many months? 9 months. Okay, 11,000 into 9 months. So the total so this is it 11,000? Okay, this is salary for HRA we are taking. What is the HRA amount? Okay, 4,000. 4,000 into 9. It is 36,000. Okay, we require 11,000 also. Where we require, I will tell you. Less exempt. Exempt, underline this. Under this, actual received 36,000 or rent paid plus salary. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. So here rent he has not paid. He has done anything about rent. So it is dash. Then finally 40% of the salary for small cities 50% of the salary for big city. So which city he has given in the problem? Has he given any city? Name of the city is, that means you have to take 40%. Yeah, 40% of the salary. Okay, so actual HRA received 400 into 9, that is 36,000, less exempt actual HRA received 36,000, or rent paid minus 10% of salary dash 40% of salary. Now salary for HRA is how much? Salary for HRA is how much? Just now you calculated, no? 11,000 rupees per month is his salary into 9 months. So that is 99,000. This is salary for HRA. Okay. So now 99,000 into 40 divided by 100. 40% of the salary for HRA. Okay. 39,600. 600. Okay. So out of this, which is less? 36,000 or 39,000? So whichever is less. So that is 36,000. So this is exempted HRA. In this, we should remove this nil. Okay. Taxable HRA is nil, while exempted HRA is 36,000. So working note we have solved for this. Now let us go for the problem. Here income from salary we have written, and you can write continue and tax liability. Income from salary and tax liability. First is basic. So the pay is 11,000 into 12. Here you have to take full salary, right? Full salary. 11,000 into 12. So it is 1,32,000. Then next, dearness allowance. It is how much? 5,000. 5,000 per month into 12 months. So it is 60,000. Next, taxable HRA. Okay, now HRA we have calculated here. Actual HRA received is 400 into 9. We did those all calculation. While taxable is how much? Okay, taxable HRA was nil. Here we need to put as working note number 1. It is nil. Cash allowance. Cash allowance. What is, how much is cash allowance? Cash allowance is 300 into 12. So it is 3,600 rupees. Okay. Next comes medical allowance. Medical allowance. So medical allowance 250 rupees per month. So it is 3,000 rupees. Then entertainment. Entertainment allowance. Okay, the entertainment allowance, how much is it? 400 into 12. It is 4,800 rupees. Then comes professional tax. Professional tax is into 12. It is okay. Now we need to do total of this 1,32,000 plus 60,000 plus 3,600 plus 3,000 plus 4,800 plus 900. So the total we get is called as gross salary. The total in return what we get is called as gross salary. So the total is 2 lakh 1,300. Okay, 2 lakh 1,000. 4,300. 2 lakh 4,300. Okay. Then next, less in this standard deduction. Standard deduction. So standard deduction is fixed, right? Standard deduction is fixed. The rule for standard deduction is what? 40,000 rupees, whichever is less. That is standard deduction. Suppose your gross salary is 20,000 rupees. So in that case, standard deduction will be 20,000 rupees. Full amount will be exempt itself. But now standard deduction maximum amount is 40,000 rupees. Then again less entertainment allowance. See, entertainment allowance we have taken twice, if you can see here. First of all, this entertainment allowance is in salary, and again the entertainment allowance can be claimed as deduction. The amount, the entertainment allowance is 4,800 rupees. Okay. Similarly, professional tax also. Professional tax. This can be also claimed. Now, what is the professional tax? It is also 75 into 12. Right? What we have written, same amount we can write. Copy it, 900 rupees. So, this is the total gross total income. 2 lakh 4,300 minus 40,000 minus 4,800 minus 900. 1 lakh, okay, 58,600. So this is called as gross salary. See, these two will repeat again. Standard entertainment allowances, which is said in 16 subsection 2, and this is said in section 16 subsection 3. This can be allowed as deduction, both entertainment allowance and professional tax. And standard deduction is fixed 40,000, right? These all three we have to reduce. The amount what we get is called as GTI. Now in this deduction under section under section 80C to 80U. Okay, any deductions are given, no deductions are given, so we will write as nil. So 1,58,600 is total income. So the last point after getting the total income is tax liability. Okay, so the tax liability, if you see, okay, tax liability, it will be nil ultimately. The reason is the income above below the 5 lakh rupees is nil. So the income in this problem is 1 lakh 58,600. So tax liability is nil.